sea. Naval power in action. With the attack carrier as its nucleus, this fleet can hurl overwhelming military power to destroy a potential enemy. This is just one element of United States naval striking forces, which form a vast complex of mobile sea bases. There is hardly any form of military power that cannot be projected from these mobile sea bases. Crushing air power from carriers. Deadly N.1 at 50 feet. Mach 1.8 at 50,000 feet. And Mach 1.5 above 60,000 feet. The new target has a maneuvering capability of 5 Gs up to 20,000 feet and 2 to 3 Gs at higher altitudes. Air-launched and ground-launched. Power of the combat-ready Marine, supported by his tanks, artillery, and air power from the amphibious sea bases. This is a test of the ability of this formidable array to inflict unacceptable punishment upon the enemy. This test, this trial by doing, this operational readiness evaluation is the moment of truth that gives meaning to months of constant drill and exercise. This is the trial that gives final polish to the perfect blending of high-performance personnel with high-performance systems to form the keel of naval striking power. Imperative to this operational readiness evaluation is a demonstration of quick and decisive reaction to a wide variety of airborne threats. To simulate these threats requires a high-performance aerial target system that gives is Firebee. The Firebee is a pilotless turbojet-powered target aircraft that is guided by radio control. Highly maneuverable, the Firebee can maintain level flight in turns up to 6 Gs. After launch, Firebee is controlled by a remote control operator as it simulates an enemy threat. The Firebee is a near-sonic target with a maximum speed of 550 knots. It is highly maneuverable and can fly as low as 50 feet and higher than 50,000 feet. Firebee has set a flight record of 1 hour and 54 minutes and has flown for 77 minutes above 50,000 feet. The target is reparation and refurbishment is accomplished to prepare the targets for further missions. This reusability makes the Firebee highly efficient. Firebee provides scoring systems within the target, telemeter missile accuracy to surface monitoring stations to verify weapon performance. By using a traveling wave tube, the Firebee can be made to appear as the smallest fighter or the largest bomber by varying its radar image electronically. Firebee provides maximum realism for the training of Navy fighter pilots. He is water-launched to simulate the surface-to-surface missile threat. Weapon Center, China Lake, which will provide automatic airborne formation control of Firebee. Formation flight tests with 2 Firebees have been successfully flown at White Sands Missile Range. Ryan, in looking ahead to expanding Navy training requirements, has developed under Naval Air Systems contract a new generation of Firebees, the Firebee 2, or BQM-34E, which puts the Firebee target system in the supersonic regime. Ryan is now completing a flight test program for this new supersonic target system, which will expand the performance, operational flexibility, and threat realism of the subsonic BQM-34A. Firebee 2 uses existing BQM-34A systems, subsystems, components, and equipment wherever possible. It retains the equipment carrying capability and mission performance of the existing BQM-34A. Higher B-2 is 5 feet longer and has a 4-foot narrower wingspan than the BQM-34A. There are no ailerons on the wing. The horizontal tail surfaces move collectively for pitch and differentially for roll control. Today, our nation is faced with a 4-ocean challenge. The challenges we face are vital reasons for maintaining our fleets at peak operational readiness. Ryan is proud of its contribution to the readiness of our nation's naval defenses.